On the next section, 106.1, where required. Okay? I highlighted that first paragraph, okay? An owner's authorized agent or contractor who desires to erect, install, enlarge, alter, repair, remove, convert, or replace mechanical systems, installation of which is regulated by the code, or to cause such work to be performed, shall first make the application to the code official and obtain required permit for the work. Basically means, if you are altering, removing, replacing, changing something, you need to pull a permit. That's all.